welcome to the Punch video time, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple website in Python. So let's get started. ASMR. Okay, so first what we're going to be using in this tutorial is that we're going to be using the Python module called Streamlit. So let's just go on and import Streamlit there. Now, I'm just going to be teaching you the basics of Streamlit. So we are going to be adding a title, header, text input, button, and a sidebar. So these are the 5 main items I'm going to be showing you to add in our main Python application. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to be doing is creating define main, and inside that, the first thing, as I told you, we're going to be adding is our title. So we're going to be typing in st.title, and inside that we're going to be typing in our title. So now, just for testing, I'm just gonna put Control-C here. Then I'm just gonna be putting one over there. And I'm going to be putting in Streamlit run the p.py. And now I forgot, cd, if I'm correct, .json. What should I cd into? .vs code. Okay, cd.vs code, and then after that, Streamlit run the p.py. And now if we run this, you can see that we have a local host opened up in Streamlit, and we have our main page here. I'm just gonna be typing in main over here, so that now if we check this out, you can see that boom, we have our title. So good job, you have created the title in your very first web app in Python. Now let's create a header. So it's very simple. You just have to type in st.header, and inside that header, let's just see, and then just type in what should we type in? I'm just going to be putting in header example. And if you check your app now, you should see that there's going to be a header example in your app shown. Now the next thing I told you that we're going to be adding is a text input. So what to do to add a text input is that we're going to be naming the text input, and then I'm going to be naming it to name and then text. So st.text input, and let's type in enter your name. So now you can see that we have a text input in our app now. So if I now go back and I run this, you can see that our application is now getting user interactable. Okay, now let's go on and add a button. So if st.button is clicked, so no need to type that, click me. So what is it saying? That if the button click me is clicked, then what I want to do is st.write inside that f hello name. Now if I now run this, I should be able to type in the punch over here, and if I click me, you can see that it is showing hello the punch over here. So now we have a simple interactable user web app made in Python. Now the last thing I want to add into this is a sidebar. So let's type in st.sidebar.title, and let's name it our sidebar. Now if I go here, I rerun this, you should see that Okay, it's not working for some reason. Let's just see what thing wrong we have done. So I have st.sidebar dot title to be our sidebar. Oops, yep, I forgot that I had never saved it. And now you can see that we have an interactable sidebar in our web app. Now this isn't the only thing you can make in Streamlit. You can see that there are so many options for you to play from in Streamlit. You can make a spinner, you can make a success, you can make a table, you can make a farm, all in Streamlit. So Streamlit is the base for building a web app in Python. So this was only covering in the basics. If you want another tutorial based on this where I will go to drop downs, tell me in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you.